This brief Tech in 10 is going to be the first in a series of a few Tech in 10s that talk about the transition to the new Boardmaker editor. As I had mentioned, Boardmaker Online editor is now going to be a local installed application on your computer, much like Smart Notebook. There are a lot of pieces to this, but we'll go through each one little by little, and it will make more sense as you get used to it. The actual creation piece is not much different. So rather than going to boardmakeronline.com and logging into Boardmaker, you will have this application installed on your computer. It is the Boardmaker 7 editor. You can also put it on your dock, which I have down here. It looks like I guess a rocket pencil. And then you will open that in order to create on Boardmaker. Once you open that, you will be prompted to log in with the username and password that you've been using, or if you're assigned now a new individual one, you can use that as well. And you will be brought to a page that looks like this. Notice I'm in my Boardmaker 7 editor right now, and this is the interface of it. Let's just go to look at a couple of these menus on the side. Recent is where you will find any activities that I recently created in Boardmaker. Because I am just launching this trial version or pre-release version, there's nothing currently in here. But recent, all it means is recent activities that are in your account. Remember, you are logged in over here. My Boardmaker opens up a tab where it shows your folders of activities and also all of your activities over here. Now, your account will sync to an online account. So if you're simply using an account you've always used, once you're on an internet connection, you will see all of the activities listed here, similar to what you see in Boardmaker Online under your activities. That being said as well, if you create a new activity in this editor, you can still log on to your online account to see all of your activities there as well. If you go to New, it will open up a window that looks like this. New allows you to see recently used activities, or create printable templates, or interactive templates just like you do now. The only thing new here is there are an abundance of new printable and interactive templates that we will get into more specifically in further trainings. Open, if you click open right here, it will bring you to a Boardmaker folder on your computer. In the Boardmaker folder will be activities that you create in the editor, just another place. They will be stored locally on your computer. The Boardmaker community is the same Boardmaker community you know now, and if you were to click that, it would take you to the Boardmaker community. Like I said, your account will be logged in online still, and you'll have the ability to see everything you do now with regards to community activities, with regards to your activities. But if you clicked edit or play the activity from online, it will kick you to the editor on your actual computer or the player on your actual computer. So that's basically what this interface will look like now. You'll have the software installed that you will click and open, the Boardmaker editor. You will sign in and out of it as needed. If you're on a shared computer, make sure you sign out. If you're not on a shared computer, simply keep it logged in to your account. Again, the Recent tab shows anything recent that you created. The My Boardmaker tab is going to show you any folders of activities and then your activities listed, similar to what you see on Boardmaker Online's main activity page. New is where you'll go to create an activity, and we will look at this more in depth for each one, but you can choose printable and interactive, just like you can do now. Open will bring you to your computer files of Boardmaker activities that you've created. Remember, once you create something and save it, it saves locally on your computer, but once you have an internet connection, it also backs it up to a cloud version on your online account. And then Boardmaker Community will simply kick you out to the internet to go to the community that you're used to now. And like I said, anything you've created will also sync to this. and you will be able to see your activities online as well, but not interact with them or edit them online. You can simply click the button to edit them, and it will then automatically open your editor on your computer. Again, the main difference is the editing or creation of Boardmaker activities is going offline, which will not only improve the speed and functionality of it, but it will allow you to easily make activities without worrying about speeds or any of those issues that you had prior to the change. In future Tech in 10s, we are going to dig deeper into each one of these and look at how to create in some of the new features within there. But essentially, once you get the workflow down of where to find the editor and how it all interacts in play, the editor itself is very similar to what you're used to, with some great enhancements for ease of use, simplicity, and enhanced creation possibilities. So I hope this intro video to what's going to come is helpful, and thanks for watching.